This how-to video is going to show you how you can go to check on what settings are in the system for your two-way radio. So maybe a technician's asking that. They may just need that information for something they're trying to troubleshoot for you. But this is how you'll find it. So from the welcome page, go to VT3000 core software. From this page, you want to be under system settings, which is under administration. So you can select it here, go this way. And basically once we're on system settings, we're looking for service. And basically where we want to be is right here. So this audio out. And this will show the settings that you have. If we're looking at this one, we're seeing it's a radio, it's a Motorola radio. This is the port it's communicating on. Right now, it's not enabled. So that would be maybe a piece of the information that the technician is looking for. Take a screenshot of this, send it to him, or read it off to him, whichever way it is that he's looking to get that information. Once you're done, start and exit. Now you're done with this how-to video and finding where those radio settings are. Look forward to talking to you again.